So who will be replaced by AI? Am I still going to have a job tomorrow? This is Connect the Dots, the AI Impact Podcast. I'm Christoph Burkhardt. Welcome to the show. Which jobs are actually going to survive if AI takes over everything? These are really strange questions to me, and I think they stem from a lack of understanding what intelligence actually is. So I want to spend a few minutes to kind of dissect that the difference between artificial intelligence and human intelligence is so striking that the question whether one is going to replace the other is not really the right question to ask. Human intelligence is unique. It's based on learning, a learning history that is unique to every individual human being. What makes us as humans intelligent is actually not our individual intelligence, it is our collective intelligence. Meaning, if you bring together a bunch of humans and they all come with a unique learning history and unique approaches to problem solving, the connection of their minds creates something that is bigger than the parts. Meaning, they are more intelligent as a group than they are as individuals. You cannot simply add human intelligences and then you will create something that is just a sum of the parts of intelligence that you have in there. This is how machines operate. You can add machines, and they will. If you have two machines, you doubled the intelligence, the computing power. So the individual intelligence is unique, and the collective intelligence is really what we're after. This is human intelligence. Machine intelligence is based on learned things from humans, meaning they're being trained how to drive a car, how to write an essay, how to create a video. They're being trained by humans to do that. And in the steps, they automate a lot of things. And of course, their computing power is way higher, faster than ours. So they can generate things that we cannot. They can process traffic in a city behind me. They can process traffic way better than we can. They are better drivers than humans could ever be. Like the Waymo cars out here, they have 10,000 years of driving experience because they just watched humans over and over again drive in the city, and they've learned to be way better drivers than we are. So yes, drivers will be replaced, but that is because driving does not require unique or collective intelligence. It's because it's a highly automatic system that eliminates mistakes by learning and then never going back to make the same mistake again. This is very, very different from what we do on a day-to-day basis. Hardly any of the work we do is as routine-based as driving. And so we need to understand that, yes, of course, there will be jobs that are so routine-based that everything is automatable around them, that those will disappear. But the vast majority of jobs is not routine-based. Our abilities to solve problems, our ability to approach problems in new creative ways and in original thinking, those qualities, those skills, those capabilities are uniquely human, and they are required in most jobs. So what I want you to understand is that, yes, we have human intelligence that's unique, and we have machine intelligence that is scalable. And now you have a collaboration of humans and machines. And that collaboration creates a new kind of intelligence that we haven't had yet. And so you have machines that add to our intelligence, and I want to call this augmented intelligence, right? So it's the collaboration between humans and machines that creates augmented intelligence. So now you have collective intelligence of many, many humans connecting their minds and solving problems, and you add augmented intelligence, meaning we're augmenting our own intelligence individually to create more of what drives collective intelligence. And yes, I'm absolutely convinced that ultimately we're not making machines smarter. We're augmenting our own intelligence, meaning we're making ourselves smarter here. And that's why the question is not who's going to be replaced, because we're not going to get replaced, we're getting augmented. And that is everything but not scary. This is incredibly awesome, and I'm very grateful that I'm alive right now to see this happening. So I don't want you to be afraid that your job is going to be taken by a machine. I want you to think about how you collaborate with machines to actually make yourself better.